Junkyard Dogs, a program sponsored by the Office of Campus Ministry and Community Service, brings together students and faculty to help clean the streets of Jersey City. Participants spend 2 hours or more with brooms and dustpans, picking up any litter they find. In addition to helping the community, the students involved have a chance to meet new people. Often, there are many clubs who choose to help with the project as a group volunteering effort for the school. Additionally, members of the community are strongly encouraged to participate in this service program. This is a way to bring St. Peter's and the community it serves together. For more information on Junkyard Dogs or any other volunteering opportunities, please contact Community Service at spc.edu or visit spc.edu/community service.